Hello friends, I'm Akash. Today, I'm going to talk about the trick for the 15 times table. Of course, we will recite the 15 times table from the very beginning, so let's go. 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 4 is 60. 15 times 5 is 75. 15 times 6 is 90. 15 times 7 is 105. 15 times 8 is 120. 15 times 9 is 135. And finally, 15 times 10 is 150. For this trick to work, you need to know what odd and even numbers are. Now, we can begin. First, for the ones digits, we'll just write 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Simple. Next, for the tens digits, we'll just follow a quick and easy procedure. We write 2 consecutive odd numbers, then we write 2 consecutive even numbers, then 2 consecutive odd numbers again, and then 2 consecutive even numbers again, and then so on and so on. So 1, 3, and then we move on to the even numbers, 4, 6, then back to the odd numbers, 7, 9, and then back to the even numbers, 10, 12, and then the odd numbers, 13, and finally 15. And that is the trick to learn the 15 times table. It's a very neat trick. You can see it behind me, and it's really easy. So now you know the trick to learn the 15 times table. You can use it to start mastering the 15 times table. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like my videos, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss my new videos every time I upload. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Love you, Akash.